He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome to a short episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Today we're going old school, okay? I pulled the Performer Weber out. We're going to be doing some Vortex style ribs, okay? I got my Vortex in here. I got my grating here with the hole in the middle. So we're going to go ahead and set that up, and I'll show you all that on camera. We're going to be using B&B charcoal today. We're going to be using Western cherry chunks today. And we're going to be using our beeswax fire starter from Wildwood Grilling. So, hey, that's enough talk. I'm gonna bring you close. We're gonna go ahead and do this musical montage. We're gonna get this bad boy set up and going, and then we'll see how these bad boys turn out. Hang around. All right, guys, so, I think these have been on a little too long. Some of them are pretty dark. We'll go ahead and get these off now. They attempted out at like 175 degrees, and the fire kicked up again, so we can go ahead and get these off right quick. Oh, we got one in the fire. Saved by the bell. Guess that one will have a little bit extra char on it. Reaching over this fire is not a good idea. All right, there we go. I know they're a little dark, but we're gonna go ahead and check them out. We're gonna turn these salmon pieces to the side, get them away from the fire a little bit. These are for the wife. Sticking to the rack a little bit. There we go. Boy, that muff is on fire. Shit. Might have to take that salmon off soon. Close the fire down here. All right, guys, so here we go. Here are our Vortex ribs. They're a little dark, but that's probably because of the pepper that's on there. And then we've been cooking them at about 300 degrees for the last couple of hours or so. They reached an internal temperature about 175 to 180 degrees. I'm gonna let these cool off for a little bit, then we'll go ahead and have the taste test, okay? So hang around. All right, guys, so I went on ahead and grabbed a rib. It's really nice and smoky. Now the seasoning we used was the Pit Boss salt and smoked pepper seasoning. So I love that seasoning. If you're not getting enough smoke flavor, that one will definitely add some to your cook. All right. Let's see if these are tender or how they came out. These came out really good. Not as tender as you would get when you would smoke them for, 5-6 hours. but they're cooked all the way through. They're tasty, they're juicy. It tastes really good. Another bite. And I'm getting some good clean bite through. So can't complain about that. So, well, that's it. Easy cook today. All right. So we use the rubber performer with the Vortex attachment and hooked up some quick St. Louis style ribs. All right. So can't go wrong. If you don't want to wait all day long, cook them this way, you'll save yourself a couple hours. So that's it. So, hey, thanks for joining us today. Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.